everyone, news just off the street. Bowie shoes from Vans have just landed in Australia and I'm about to show you what I bought. So a couple of days ago, my eldest son Billy was at the Vans store at Pacific Fair down at Broadbeach here on the Gold Coast, and he was wearing his black milk shirt with David Bowie on it when he is Jareth from the Labyrinth, and someone who works at the Vans store actually approached him and said, "Oh, are you a David Bowie fan?" And of course Billy's answer was yes, because he's a massive David Bowie fan, always has been, always will be, my son. And she said, "Oh, I'll just tell you quietly that on Friday the shoes, the Bowie shoes, are actually being made available to the public." So he went in, and just before they were opening, he said there was himself and his girlfriend was with him as well, and then there was just one other person. So, but that's the Gold Coast for you. But I'm so happy to tell you that I bought not one, not two, but 3 pair of shoes. Now, they are an investment. I won't be wearing all of them. Billy has showed me the pair that he got. He got the white leather ones, the trainers with the lightning bolts. We're about to do an unboxing, but before we do, I need coffee and vitamins. Vitamins. I need to take these for strength. I'm so excited. Okay, I ran out of coffee, so I refilled. I rinsed it out, but I refilled with some orange juice because I need to keep hydrated. I bought 3 pairs of shoes today. So that means the tattoo that I've currently been saving up for is being put on hold. But 1 pair of them I don't have today. They'll be coming in 2 to 3 days because they'd already sold out my size. So they're ordering them for me, which is great. They are these red ones. So I literally cannot wait to get those on my feet and put on my red shoes and dance the blues. Ground control to Major Tom. Take your protein pills and put your helmet on. No, I'd rather put these on. Let's unbox these beauties. This is, now it's got a little picture. This is the women's 9.5. I hope they fit because they go up by half sizes. Space Oddity. Black with spots. Ooh, okay, so this is the box. It's really cool. Opening the box and smells like shoes. Check out, oh, the paper is so soft. Check out this paper. Check it out. Can you see that it has Bowie? Bowie! Vans Bowie. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's like seeing your baby for the first time. Oh my gosh. I see words. I see words. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm taking out the right foot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hang on, sorry. Look at these. Look at these. Okay, so on the inside part of the outer sole, it says space. And that's the right foot. And on the inside part of the sole on the left foot, it says oddity. Yay! Okay, so, oh, they're so cool. They feel so good. They're so well made. The fact that Vans make shoes and that, like, all around the edges here, you don't get any little bits of plastic or rubber or extra material. You don't see any glue like you do with some makes of shoes. This is brilliant. That's what they look like from the back. I'll show you the both of them. So this is them together. They have black laces, and I love the way they graduate from colour as well, and they've got that V kind of, oh, they're brilliant. They're brilliant. That's what they look like from the back. We'll do a slow turn. Aren't they lovely? And this is what they look like on the inside. Oh! Okay, this is my first time doing an unboxing. Can you see that? How cool is that? Tongue of the shoe, it's a bit lighter. I love the way it's edged. Okay, and then it says 2019, the David Bowie Archive. Pretty cool. Now, I don't want to put these on and go outside, even though the light would be much better, but I'll do my best to give you some good footage. So this is what they look like on my feet. So I thought that I would wear my new necklace that I recently got on my last trip that I did to Melbourne, and I visited the Chapel Street Bazaar there in Melbourne, and I found this in one of the shops there. It's kind of an antiques, vintage collectibles, big bazaar that they have, and they have separate stalls, and this, I found this in a cabinet, and I think it's great, and I love it so much. So it's getting worn today for this special occasion of my unboxing of VANS Bowie line of shoes. Okay, so the next pair that I decided to buy today are these ones. This box is a bit bigger because these are high tops, and they are the Skate High Bowie checkerboard. Really looking forward to opening these babies up. So here again we have a lovely box and the paper. Oh my gosh, these are so well done. Oh my gosh. The dilemma is, do you buy another pair of these spectacular things so you can have one to keep and then have a pair that you actually wear? That's the trauma. That's the trauma of it. Let's get these babies out. Okay, so once again, I got the shoes in a 9.5. I thought that going a little bit bigger would be better for my feet, seeing as I have so many issues. And as far as shoes go, I'd rather have them a little bit bigger than trying to squash your feet in. There's nothing worse than that. I've bought shoes before that I've loved, and I haven't been able to get just the right size, and I've gotten them a little bit smaller, and they're just torture to wear. But these babies, oh my gosh, look at those guys. Aren't they gorgeous? They are gorgeous, and they're not too narrow. I can tell by the nose of this shoe that they're not going to be too narrow for me. I can't wait to try these on, guys. Look at that detail. It is stitched. That lightning bolt and the checkerboard effect. It's just the perfect merging of Vans and Bowie. Do you know what I mean? I'm so impressed. I am so impressed. The stitching is really neat. The detail is great. Nice and sturdy. I like it with the white lace contrasting with the black. I'm assuming that this is suede. Let's have a look at the tongue. I'm gonna have to kind of loosen these so you can have a look. So this is the tongue, cool. Vans off the wall. And then on the inside part, it says Vans 2009, the David Bowie Archive. You can see that. And then on the inside it's got Bowie again. I'm very impressed. Here's the other one. They're a lovely pair. And I'm gonna try these on. Guys, I can't say that I like one more than the other. They're both quirky enough to be Bowie and cool enough to be Vans, and it's just like a marriage made in heaven for my feet. As I told you, I can't show you those red high tops that I ordered, but once they come in, I'll be showing them on my Instagram. Right now I'm going to show you one more pair that Billy bought. He also bought a pair of the checkerboard high tops, and he also bought, drum roll please. Now these are the Aladdin Sane sneakers that Billy bought. I would love these as well, but I'm not the biggest fan of white shoes. I posted something on Instagram and Rachel Shade actually said that she had been looking and she likes these ones as well, but she doesn't know where she would wear or if she would ever wear white sneakers. Well, Rachel, does this change your mind? They are actually really pearl. Like they've got an amazing pearl effect, and I feel like that I'm not capturing it very well for you. I'll try my best, but can you see? Oh my gosh, how cool is that? David Bowie. How cool are the tags too? Look at that. Look at that, babe. Look at that, babe. So this is the Aladdin Sane sneaker. It's gorgeous. Look at those lightning bolts. This is what they look like from the back. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Just want to show you the inside of it. Cool, hey guys, it looks so cool. And that's the bottom. But yeah, I think you did well with these. Give you a round of applause for buying these, Billy. Well done. Proud of you, son. So that concludes my unboxing of Vans David Bowie shoes. If you get an opportunity, I think that you should at least have a look at these online on the Vans website possibly and see what's available. Keep updated of future videos to come on my Instagram. I go by the same name, which is Munstermash1313. So yeah, come on over and follow me on Instagram. I'm on there every day. Okay guys, I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. We'd love to have you as part of the family. I'll see you next time, guys, and until then, keep it creepy. Bye.